2018 Ford Transit 150. The Transit 150 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, power windows, passenger airbag, tachometer, power mirrors, head-up display, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.